Good day, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Today, I'm going to be sharing this yummy curry chicken sauce with you guys. I'm going to start by slicing my chicken. I'm slicing them so tiny. And that is done. See, that is how tiny they look. See that? So I sliced them so tiny. So now I'm going to spice it up. And I'm going to be adding garlic powder, ginger powder, curry powder, salt, rosemary, onions powder. You can use any seasoning of your choice, any spices of your choice, and I also added powder seasoning to it. So now I'm just going to put it all together, cover, let it marinate for 1 hour. You can leave it longer, you can leave it shorter as well. So I just added oil to my pan, pour it in. Now it has been marinated for 1 hour, and I added garlic and ginger paste to it. So I'm going to fry this a little bit, and I add my sliced onions to it. That is it. Put it together, cover for the chicken to cook. 2 minutes. This is a very easy dish, very fast. Now I'm gonna pour in my vegetable. I'm using cherry tomatoes, green peppers, habanero pepper. You can use black pepper, and red bell pepper and onions. You can use any pepper. You can use black pepper, white pepper for this recipe, but I want it a little bit spicy. So now I'm gonna add water. I just rinsed the marinate plate with water. I just added to it. Add 1 stock cube, and I'm going to thicken my sauce with cornstarch. Just a teaspoon of cornstarch. Added water to dilute it, and I've just poured it in. Then I cover 1 minute thereabout. My food is ready. It's so easy to put together. See, mine is not so thick. If you want it thicker, you can add more of the cornstarch. So that is it. Don't forget to tell me what you think on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my page. Thank you so much for joining. This food came out so yummy. And don't forget to share. Bye.